It's actually encouragement for the Sultan and the ones who are in position and those who are in charge to take a righteous minister, a righteous close people, and warning them against the bad ones and to take from the bad ones. You know, the close people. What do you call them in English? The ones who are close to the king. Are they the confidants people? Yeah? Yeah, confidant people. So the ones who are inside, the inside of the garment of yours. So that inside is supposed to be good. They're close to the king, they're close to the monarch. Allah Azza wa Jalla, He says, الْأَخِلَّاءُ يَوْمَئِذٍ بَعْضُهُمْ لِبَعْضٍ عَدُوٌّ إِلَّا الْمُتَّقِينَ. Translation, please.
Friends on that day will be foes one to another, except al-muttaqun, i.e. the pious and righteous ones.
So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is telling us that this friendship that is in this dunya will turn to enmity on the day of resurrection. He will say, Allahumma nafsi, I'm going to save myself. I'm not going to. So this will turn enmity, except there's an exception here for the pious people. So this is an indication for us to take what, bad people or righteous people as friends? Righteous people. Because those righteous people, they're not going to be enemies to one another. They're going to be helping one another. Yes. These people who will, if they are, let's say that you are a friend of yours and you're done very bad, and he is your brother, but he's better than you, and he's in paradise, he will not let go until you say, oh Lord, I've got a brother, friend of mine. I can't see him with me. Because he's being punished, he doesn't know. Say, okay, go to the hellfire, see what he is, and bring him out. إِلَّا الْمُتَّقِينَ. So the pious people, they're going to be friends on the day of resurrection, and they will be making intercession to their friends. SubhanAllah. They make intercession with their friends. The soul from the beginning, when it dies, still it is friends with those who are pious. When a person dies and he's righteous and he's ascending to the heavens, okay, and his body is on the earth, while he's ascending, the other souls, or the righteous, who are a friend of this soul, who are from the same area, from the same time, they come and gather around him. They'll ask him about such and such person, whom is their friend as well. So, if he said, I left him, alhamdulillah, he's alive, they will start making dua for him. But he said, if he said that, well, he died before me, then that's when they are scared. Why are they scared? Because he didn't pass through them. That means it's not really a good man. Because the good people, they will pass through like a same place when they ascend. And that's when they are, أُخِذَ بِهِ إِلَى الْهَاوِيَةِ. He's been taken to hell. Because he did not pass by them. So if he said that I saw him, alhamdulillah, make dua for him, inshallah, when he dies. So the souls, they flock with each other just before, when they're alive. Prophet ﷺ, he said, Arwah junud mujannada. Souls are soldiers of Allah. مَا تَوَافَقَ مِنْهَا ائْتَلَفَ. What synchronize, they get together. And what do not synchronize, they will be away from each other. So your soul synchronizes with the pious. Also when you die, your soul will synchronize with the pious. Also when you are in Jannah, your soul and your body is synchronized with the pious. You always ask, oh Lord, people who have been with me, I want to see them with me. Go to the hellfire and ask for intercession. They'll bring them out for the intercession. As for the people who are not pious, he said, الْأَخِلَّاءُ يَوْمَئِذٍ بَعْضُهُمْ لِبَعْضٍ عَدُوٌّ. Those are enemies to one another. Because they're not friends. He will be, not minding to go and throw his, brother, who is, because they're both fasiq, into hell to save himself. كُلَّمَا دَخَلَتْ أُمَّةٌ. Every time a nation goes to the hellfire, لعنت. She will curse the one before it. رَبَّنَا أَتِهِمْ ضِعْفَيْنِ مِنَ الْعَذَابِ. Those are the ones who had followed their leaders. إِنَّا أَطَعْنَا سَادَتَنَا وَكُبَرَاءَنَا فَأَضَلُّونَ السَّبِيلَ. They have misguided us. So Allah Azza wa Jal, He tells us that these people start calling upon Allah to give them double punishment. وَلْعَنْهُمْ لَعْنًا كَبِيرًا. And curse them, a big curse. Look at this. They are, أعوذ بالله, they don't have friends whatsoever. الْأَخِلَّاءُ يَوْمَئِذٍ بَعْضُهُمْ لِبَعْضٍ عَدُوٌّ إِلَّا الْمُتَّقِينَ.